Hi, my name is Jentri, and I'm the founder of Jentri Quinn Makeup and Skin. I created a cruelty-free beauty line, and I'm located right here in Austin, Texas. Whenever I decided to really get into natural skincare, there were not the resources that exist right now. So I really had to take initiative and go buy a book and go buy products at the herb bar and kind of figure out what worked and what didn't. Being able to work hands-on with clients that were experiencing skin conditions and diseases, it really opened my eyes to what these women were going through, and my heart bled. I just knew that whatever I did from there moving forward with skincare, before I even started developing my own line, I just knew that I had to figure out a way to do more research and to help these women.
I'm a cancer survivor, and ingredients matter. Ingredients are important. I was diagnosed with breast cancer when I was 35 years old. It was an emotional thing for me because cancer robbed me of a lot of things. It robbed me of my breasts and my reproductive organs and my hair temporarily. After I finished treatment and I recovered a little bit physically, I started seeing Jentri again to have her help me bring my skin back to life, and she did. My skin's healthier than it's ever been.
I've actually been using Jentri's products for about a year now, actually. And I think that taking care of our skin at such a young age is truly important. To know the ingredients in our products truly matter, and just that everything that goes into our bodies and onto our skin can really make a difference.
I just really hope that other people are as inspired to use them as we are inspired to create them.